Hello and welcome back. This is Amin, top rated digital marketing specialist. In this lesson, I'm going to share you Google My Business profile reviews. Uh, I'm showing my Google My Business profile. Here you can see 5 reviews. Okay, these reviews helps to get the rank on my Google My Business profile. As such as I am searching here MG landscaping, and here you can see this is show my profile. When people search landscaping service in Melbourne, I'm working my Australian client, and first of all here if click the map option, this is the ad, and after completing ad section, here you can see king landscaping. This person has 160 reviews and get the rank first position. And the second one, bricks landscaping, these persons have 153 reviews, and third one has a 38 reviews. So if you have a good number of reviews, then it is the highly it create a highly chances to get the rank the first position. So in this full entire video I will discuss a full reviews process or day by day, step by step. Let me example. First of all, you already understand overview, the what is reviews, why important, how it impact on local SEO. So then I'm showing you how to get a reviews. It is first of all, if you have existing customer, or if you providing your present customer, please request your customer and get a positive reviews. This is one a white hat method. Then you can earn reviews. Second method, this is a give incentive. Suppose give 5% discount. If 5% discount, if people give you positive ratings, then you can give a 5% ratings. This 5% discount not hamper your business, that's help to grow your businesses. So this is the true request to customer and the give incentive. This is the two process. And second, another process is manipulation. Manipulation means you can buy reviews. There has a multiple company, they sells Google My Business profile reviews. Okay, so first of all you need to you need to buy a paid VPN, and you need to create a Google email with Google local guide account. Then you need to connect your targeted area, and you can give a reviews. This is called the manipulation process. Multiple agency use this process to get a rank. If you want to manipulation, then you should contact my expert like me, or a great agency, or the reputed agency that will help you to get the pay VPN that will not hamper your Google My Business profile. If you take free VPN using reviews, that will detect Google and suspended your account. So hopefully you understand how can you take how can you earning reviews. And in this process, reviews process, people leave people give you review. Here you can see already my client give his reviews. Okay, so here you can see no reviews. This is already people give the reviews. Okay, so we can people left the reviews 5 star 1 week ago. Then then you should reply these reviews. How to respond reviews? And it is when you responded reviews, please include your uh, keyword that will please include your keyword related to your business, related to your business, that will help to rank, that will help to rank your profile, inshallah. Okay, then I will show you in the next video how to reply reviews. Okay, here you can see that I have not reply, and here's all are unreplied reviews. I will reply very carefully, inshallah. Then the second flagging inappropriate reviews. If any the in the time people, your competitor can give you negative reviews. If they give negative reviews, then you have to handle very carefully. So I will discuss in the next any video, where if any reviews, if you get inappropriate, then what you should do. And you cannot edit or delete reviews if people already give. So you should contact, if who give, should contact reviews who give you reviews already. Okay, so we cannot edit or delete any reviews guideline. First of all, Google reviews policy. You have to study about Google reviews policy. Then you have to profited content. Then you have to incentivize reviews and the fake reviews. You have to understand everything very carefully to take a reviews, because if a negative reviews profited, a fake reviews can hamper your account and going to the suspended. So you need to study. I will make this video on this topic in the next video. Okay, then types of reviews. There has a multiple reviews: customer reviews, employee reviews, vendor reviews, competitor reviews. Customer reviews is always as expected. Sometimes employee give you reviews. It is, if the Google identify, then it is very hamper your account. Vendor reviews and the competitor reviews. Sometimes your competitor give you negative reviews, that very bad practices in this sector. So you have to then you have to hire a local guide and report this review. I will show you how can you manage it. Okay, the best practices: encourage authentic feedback, maintain professionalism response. That means, first of all, collect authentic feedback. That means your real customer. Then you have to maintain professionalism response. I will show you. Regularly updating business information, utilizes review in marketing. You can show it in your marketing. Review management, monitoring reviews, responding positive reviews, responding negative reviews, encourage customer reviews, using reviews for improvement. Okay, this is the review management. I will make another video how can you manage reviews video, inshallah. Then analyzing reviews metrics, sentiment analysis, common themes in reviews, using reviews for strategy. And finally, tool and resources. Google My Business dashboard. You can analyze your reviews very easily. Then review monitoring tools. You can use review monitoring tools, analytics tools for insight, and customer feedback platform. So these are the entire process of review of for your Google My Business profile, and it is very important. So I will make the and I some video based on the traffic. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, let me ask. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me ask on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.